Hi, I'm Lizzy Bean, the founder of Stitch People. Thank you so much for taking a look at Stitch People's Do-It-Yourself Stitch People book. This is the second edition and the best edition so far of the book. It's kind of our Bible. It's our foundational book to teach you all about how to create your own personalized cross-stitch family portraits. Now, this book has a section about how to cross-stitch, but it's really focusing on how to put together your family portraits. It's got all sorts of instructions on how to do this, how to map out your portraits, how to do special stitches. It has design pages where you can keep track of your characters, and then there are pages and pages and pages of mix and match design templates that you can use to create men, women, children, as well as babies and cats and dogs. We have 16 cat breeds and we have 40 dog breeds in this book. And then we have a whole section of resources after our accessories that teach you how to do special things, as well as 16 different fonts and alphabets you can use for your portraits. So many instructions, so much inspiration, everything you need to create your own personalized custom cross-stitch family portrait. Let me tell you, these things are addicting and they're perfect for beginners and advanced stitchers alike. It's something that's maybe a little complicated and intimidating at the start, but once you do your first one, it's going to be a piece of cake to do any more after that. It's a book that keeps on giving with thousands upon thousands of pattern combinations for anyone in your life to create a custom Stitch People portrait.